Today I'm going to show how I made these trousers. They're comfy enough to wear as pajamas, but can easily be dressed up with accessories and jewelry. Before I start, I wanted to share 3 important things to consider when working with velvet. Velvet has nap, and the fabric will look differently depending which side the light is hitting it from. So it is very important to pay attention when cutting out and make sure pieces are all cut in the same direction. We need to make sure that piles, which are these little hairs in fabric, are all facing in the same way. Even though this specific fabric is crushed velvet, you can still see it has clear direction. And this is what will happen if the pieces that are stitched together don't have the piles facing the same way. Velvet is slippery, very slippery. I found from personal experience that taking extra time to baste your pieces before sewing will save yourself a lot of headache along the process. Did I mention velvet has piles? What a horrible way to call them. Pressing can and will leave marks if done incorrectly. If, like myself, you don't have specialized surface for pressing fabrics like velvet, you can use self fabric right sides facing. It does the trick. So right, that was it. Here comes the best part. Enjoy!
그래 미소에 넌 취한 것 같아 자꾸만 웃음이 나 어린아이 장난 같아 다정한 밤 공기가 적당한 bar 바랬던 나를 date 다른 음악이 돼 달콤해 그대와 나로 한 잔에 그냥 콜라다보다 Take it or leave it, we resist. There's no bucket list, just one close fist. We're no fans of change. Yoga in the morning, then wine at night. Train tickets and no flights. Whoa, it's how we roll. Recycle or die is the sum of you and I. Oh, how I love you, and how you always don't stand by. No, we know fans of change. Tacos on Fridays and screaming kids is the furthest down on our list. Wow. Now let it go. Take it or leave it. We resist. There's no bucket list. Just one close fist. Oh, we're no fans of change. We just want to take it easy. We like it the way that we like it. Yes, we do. Chillin', talking. Sometimes making plans, others nothing. We gotta find a way to make it stay the same. Oh, we're no fans of change. Oh no, we don't wanna change. Oh no, just one close fist. Oh, we don't wanna change. Oh no. Yoga in the morning, then wine at night. "21 degrees and sunny, just the way I always wanted. 더 바랄 것도 없어. 지금 이대로면 좋아. 따스한 햇볕이 가득 담은 Sand River. The bluebirds peacefully sing along that I love you. Oh, 그대여 나와 이 거리를 걸어요. Every day of you. 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요. 반짝이는 저기 Eiffel Tower shines from anywhere. 아름다워. When I'm not with you, all these shiny seas don't mean a thing. 눈동자 비친 Avenue des Champs-Élysées. 그대와 같이 오르면 let you go. Do it alone, won't let you know. I'm out in the night with someone new. It's not what I want, he's not you. At least it's something fun to do. Put on some makeup, yeah, for you. For your love I volunteer. But tonight I just don't care. Some things I cannot change. The role I get to play. Happy when you fade out. Happy when we fade out slowly. I wish I could say it out loud. Tell you about my big feelings. I check my phone, it makes me say, haven't seen your name in 7 days. Why does it have to be so high? I should be glad and cut you off. 'Cause some things I cannot change. The role I get to play. Happy when you fade out. I'm happy when we fade out slowly. I wish I could say it out loud. And tell you about my big feelings. But I'm stuck in between. Yeah, I'm stuck in between you and me. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in between you and me. Baby, 널 만나기 전에 순수한 사랑 따윈 없다는 생각이 편해. 늘 특별하지 않아도 I call it, still call it a love.
Congratulations on getting this far. The 7 of you definitely deserve a reward or something. Don't have anything, but well done. But yeah, now with the strong one still standing, let me know what you think. Do you prefer talking instructions, written instructions, occasional subtitles, just music, no music? Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave me a message either here or on Instagram. I'll be very happy to hear from you. See you next time!